Hi. When you create a dialogue in Kukarella, next thing you do, you create actors who will read the dialogue. In this video, I will show you how you can create actors, how you can choose style of voice which will be used to read text, how to assign actors to each line one by one or in bulk. Now let's dive into it. So this is a dialogue. We open Dialogues.ai in Kukarella and we have a couple of voices. Let's create another one. Let's call him Kate. And we want Kate to be British voice, female. Here you see a list of all voices, English voices with British accent. You can play samples for each voice and choose one which better meets your requirements. Let's play a couple.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to voice.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to voice.
This one is pretty good, and it has two styles. One is general and another newscast. Let's take a look. We have another one, Sonia, which supports two styles, cheerful and sad. Let's
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice,
maybe we'll go with Amy. You see here you can choose a style which will be used to read text. And let's create an actor. We can change avatar. Okay, now let's say that I want Kate to read certain lines. I can do that for each line separately, or I can choose few lines and assign Kate's voices to that line. Okay, if you click play, there will be three voices reading this text: Aloy, Emma, British, and Kate. And let's say that you want to change voice for any actor. Let's say that we have this Aloy voice. I believe it's this one.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use...
It's quite good, but just for testing purposes we can choose another one. These are the cloned voices, and this is multilingual voice. This is computer voice.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it.
Probably we don't need it now.
hi, how are you? If you like my voice,
We can choose. Let's continue with. You see, voice that supports many styles. You can make him chatty or angry or cheerful, shouting, unfriendly, terrified, friendly, whispering. So many options. Let's say that we decided to assign this voice and we decided to rename this actor. Actor has been updated. So now you know how you can create actor, edit actor, change avatars, names. By the way, you can upload custom image if you want avatar to be some custom image, just upload it here. You can change styles, voice support styles, you'll see it here. Let's go with excited. Okay, so all that you can do by clicking on By clicking on plus button, you can create new actor. You can create actor from this menu as well, the same option. Another option, you can import actors. Let's say that you want to import actors which you used for another project. Just choose actors you want to export and it will be added. And this one. And now you can assign this voice to any paragraph of your choice. Hope this helps. Use it, enjoy. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.